name's Mike, this is Jorge. Today we're going to introduce you to the integrated circuits that are inside of our hearing aids, beginning with the transistor. So the transistor is the fundamental electronic building block of a hearing aid. Audio amplification, signal processing, and wireless communication are all functions of a hearing aid that are primarily implemented by transistors. Whenever we launch new products and add new features, that oftentimes necessitates an exponential increase in the number of transistors that we need to figure out how to fit inside of the hearing aid. So if you go back to the early 1950s, hearing aids were one of the very first commercial products in the world to use transistors. At that time, they had only a couple of transistors each, and there were only about 1 million transistors manufactured in the entire world. Then with the development of the integrated circuits such as these back here, that's what ushered in our modern information age and made possible your laptops, your smartphones, and the internet. It's also what allowed the hearing industry to densely pack many transistors onto one small piece of semiconductor material. Technical advances in the semiconductor industry has made it possible to roughly double the number of transistors every 2 years for the last 50 years. So you may have heard in one of your presentations yesterday that it's now possible to build integrated circuits with more than 1 billion transistors each. And using technology such as that has allowed Starkey in our latest product release to have 1 million times the processing power as the guidance computer that put Apollo 11 on the moon. The design and development of one of these new integrated circuits can easily take several years start to finish. We have engineering teams both at Starkey and at our partners that execute millions of simulations to ensure that they'll operate flawlessly over the lifetime of the hearing aid, and also that they'll function correctly in the different environmental conditions the users may be in